Alright, what is up you guys? Pujit here, and today we're going to be learning about computer science. But the special part about this is that we're going to be using MIT's OpenCourseWare. Now I noticed that there wasn't really a lot of MIT courseware stuff out there, so I decided to make this series a part of a broader series called pujitm Learns, where we're just going to learn about a wide variety of topics that interest me, and probably most of you as well, and just go slightly more in depth into them. Now this can include anything from computer science, into architecture, to maybe even art. So with that, let's get started. So first things first, what we're going to do is open up a web browser. Then we're just going to go ahead and type in MIT OpenCourseWare into your favorite search engine and click on that link. Then we're just going to go right here, find courses by topic. I said we're going to do computer science today, so let's go ahead and click on engineering, computer science, and now I have no clue what specialty I want to study or you guys want to study, so we're just going to go ahead and pick the first course on this list. Now that's course 1.00. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. This is the course as it was taught in spring 2012, and let's go ahead and read the course description. So it presents the fundamentals of object-oriented software design and development, and it covers topics including classes, inheritance, graphical user interfaces, methods, streams, threads, sensors, and data structures, and we will be using Java to complete it. Now that is awesome because for the vast majority of my computer science education so far, I have been using Java, so that's just great. That worked out perfectly. And let's go ahead. Now, one thing to note is that this course assumes no prior experience, and that's awesome. So it's a very beginner's course, and we should have no problem with it, seeing as we have some prior experience. So let's go ahead. Alright, now the important thing is we should look at the syllabus before we start the course. So over here we've already read the description, and in the class format it seems that it's lecture based, and lectures are, quote, active learning sessions with lab exercises. Okay. Blah blah blah. I don't think most of that pertains to us. The prerequisite of this class is single variable calculus, which I have done, and if you haven't, you can go ahead, leave a comment down below, and we can cover that course simultaneously. So with that, we should take a look at the textbooks, just in case. Now, college textbooks are supposed to be really expensive. Okay. Okay, academic honesty, blah 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 blah, extension policy, that won't apply to us, and course calendar. Alright, so let's go over this. I'm just gonna zoom in so that we can see this better. And alright, so on the first day of class, I think L1 stands for the first lecture. I'm taking a shot there. But it's a course overview and an introduction to Java, and you get your first problem set and recitations, approximately 2 per week, usually. I don't know. I think that's unit, not week. I'm not sure. Oh well. Course goals is to apply knowledge of concepts in computing to solve real-world problems. Kinda generic. Most computer science classes that I've gone through have a similar course goal. Oh, this is important. So 40% of our grade, would be based on the 10 problem sets. Another 10% would be from the active learning exercise sessions. The other 24%, why not just 25? And 6% for weekly recitations? Anyway, 20% of your final grade is your final exams, which is open book and open note. You know, I'll have a link for this course in the description below, so if you want to look at anything else, feel free to go ahead and do that. Readings we've gone through the text and the optional textbook. I'll have links to those in the description below in case you would like to see them as well. We have our lecture notes, and I presume this is where the majority of our learning will take place. If we just open this up, yeah, we have PDF documents of all of the lecture notes and all of the other notes. Most likely like the assessments, the recitations, whatever those are, and all of that. So, alright, and then there's zip folders for the .java files. And, so yeah, here are the recitations. Just a quick glance through all of them. Whoa! That's archaic. Assignments. So then we have the problem set. Hello world. And then we have exams. Ooh. So right off the bat we see recursion, abstract classes, modeling food items. You know, this kinda looks like an AP exam, except more. Maybe, I presume it's MIT, so it's gonna be harder. So, I probably shouldn't just give MIT that MIT prestige, but, you know, we're on MIT open. So tools, they're gonna be using Eclipse, Java, Fidgets. What are Fidgets? Okay, if it involves anything to do with that, we're not gonna cover any of that. It'll be interesting to see how we'll have to adapt the course, if we can adapt the course. So, I don't know. I don't know. Most of you have probably already noticed this, but computer science goes under civil and environmental engineering? Really? Alright, so that's the course overview. It's just an introduction course, just to ease our way into this learning process. And if you want to learn more about computer science, computer programming, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, any of those cool stuff, leave a comment down below, and we'll go from there. See you next time. Follow me at Darth_Windu. And as always, stay classy and see you next time.